Tribesigns Computer Desk, 63-inch large office desk computer table steady writing desk for home office, walnut claws black leg. Modern simple desk computer table office desks with metal legs and adjustable leg pads made the desks keep stable even on uneven floor. Widened desktop and spacious legroom 23.6 wide provide ample space for computer, monitor, printer writing, study and other home office activities. The underneath leg distance is 58.26. You can make the best of it in a dorm room, great for allowing tall people plenty of leg room. Super sturdy, desktop made of 0.98 thicker laminated MDF, waterproof and anti-scratch, very easy to clean. Computer frame is made of heavy-duty powder-coated steel which ensures stability and durability. 1.57 by 1.57 width strong enough to support heavy-duty parcels. Easy to assemble, just need to install the 4 legs and 2 leg bars with hex key. Less than 15 minutes which will save your valuable time. Tips: make sure when you're putting the legs together the hole matches on top, they have to be facing each other. Large size 63 liters, x 23.6 watts, x 29, age 48 pounds, weight a 900 pounds capacity. We provide 18 months warranty and friendly customer service. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.